Good morning, good morning. Welcome to another London session. Thank you, thank you. Trade is gold is after yesterday's news. Gold is in a sideways movement. Traders have taken profit, so at the moment it is in this zone. Daily time frame is definitely going up overall. Um there is a daily resistance coming up, which is not that far. So same on the 4 hour, 1 hour sideways, and that's the 30-minute zone. Ideally, um, around 36, 37 pips available towards the daily zone, daily resistance from if it breaks up from this zone, this range. But if it breaks down, then there is range available to go down. So let's see what happens. Walaikum assalam, walaikum assalam. How are you, everyone? Welcome to another London session. Good morning, good morning. Walaikum assalam. As long as gold is in this range, we cannot trade it. But if it tries to come out of this range, then with some volume, then we can see what we can do. Well, I'm better now. I'm better now. Thank you. तबीयत ठीक है अब. Anybody tried to trade news yesterday and made money or lost money? Anyone? Good morning. Good morning. I live in London. Okay, so you lost money yesterday in news trade. Did you do news? Hmm. Miral Soheb tried to do news yesterday and lost money. News is dangerous. My advice is if you are new, stay away from news. You think new when you are new in trading, you think that you can make easy money in news, but it's dangerous. Hmm. But Ruhi Abbas made money yesterday on news. Farouk made money. The Last Ride Gaming missed the news. Good, good, good. Ruhi Abbas made some money. Hmm. ये क्वेश्चन नुमान साहब प्लीज मेरे से ना पूछा करें बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन कि आपने कोई ट्रेड ली हुई है आप उसको बंद कर दें या ना करें बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट माय आई कैन ओनली share my analysis here and take responsibility of my trades but ये काम जो है ना this is a dangerous business if I tell people something about their own trades whether they should close it or not close it because that's I cannot do that because you never know it can go down and it can keep on going up as well. I mean you never know we are if you see past daily abhi from 1890 it started going up and it is still going up. Yes, there was this pullback here a little bit, but it is still going up. So nobody can tell for sure that no, it should go down or it should go up, because our job as a trader is um, to wherever it is going, try to make some money from it. If we have a strategy, we just try to make some money. But no trader in the world can say for sure that oh this pair will go from up from here or go down from here. Yes, markets go up and go down or go sideways. These are the three scenarios. But if you ask for someone for sure, market will go up or forex is a business of probability. आपको probability के ऊपर you have to decide and try to get some tips from the market. uh, IC Markets is my broker. ये ऐसे नहीं होता है कि थोड़ा सा ऊपर चला गया तो फिर वो it will come down now. It might keep on going up and up and up, or down and down and down. You can see the market in the past. You see, you look at from this area, from 1628 November, in November 2022, last year. It came down to Gold came down to this area and then never came back. It's just going up since then. See? So that's good. I think I have a video on stochastic indicator. Yes, it's a 30-minute chart. Yes, what is your question? Walaikum Assalam. Why do we see 30-minute charts and 4-hour charts, but the market change in minutes? साइडवेज ट्रेड कौन सी होती है? ओ, साइडवेज ट्रेड वो होती है जो एक साइड पे चलती रहती है, ऊपर ना ऊपर जा रही होती है ना नीचे जा रही होती है, जस्ट गोइंग ऑन द साइड, वन साइड, ऐसे राइट साइड, इट्स गोइंग ऑन द राइट साइड. It cannot go on the left side. It is going on the right side on your chart. Why do we see 30-minute charts and 4-hour charts, but the market change in minutes? Because market um, do not go up and down in straight line. It goes up or down, and then traders take profits. So it makes a pullback. That is why it changes in minutes. It makes a pullback even if it is going in for example uptrend. So it will go up and then it will make some either it will make a pullback, you say it, call it a retest as well, and sometimes it goes in the sideways movement because traders uh, start taking profits. So that's why it stops there, grabs some more liquidity, and then it start going up again, and same with the down movement. जो the when the markets are moved by, not moved by traders like us, small traders like us, retail traders. We are retail traders. Markets are moved by banks and big organizations because they throw billions of dollars in the market, and that's how markets are moved into one direction. And so they decide when the market should reverse to the other direction and when the market should keep on going in one direction. They decide it, banks and big organizations. So our job as a retail trader is try to understand what banks and all these organizations are trying to do. And इसको they call it supply and demand as well. I have a video on supply, a simple video on some supply and demand as well. आजकल लोगों को बेवकूफ़ बनाने के लिए वो सप्लाई एंड डिमांड का नाम एसएमसी रखा हुआ है लोगों ने पैसे बटोरने के लिए. बट so we need to see if the market is in a clear uptrend or a downtrend. Why we see charts on a daily or 4 hour? Because the structures and trend is stronger on higher time frames. If you keep on coming down after 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, seconds, trends are not that strong, structures are not that strong, they are very weak. So that's why we look at the chart from, at least I start looking from daily, then 4 hour, and then I see the trend where the market is going, and then I come down to 30 minutes mostly or 15 minutes and try to get 10-20 pips from the market, and that's it. I'm fine with that. Yes, there are three scenarios always in the market. Either it is going up or going down or going sideways. ऐसे छोटी छोटी candles, small candles, and they are just like if you see on gold on this 30-minute chart, after the news, it's just going, small candles are going on the sideways. There is no trade, nothing is in the market at the moment. Because the market is grabbing liquidity. When there is enough liquidity, then market will, if the liquidity is more towards sell, it will go down. If it is more towards buy, it will go up. What people try to do is when market is strongly going in one direction, they try to, new traders, they try to go to the opposite. It's like a train is going in a very high speed and you try to stop it, stand in front of it. What will happen? It will crush you. So that's how new traders lose money on news as well. For example, yesterday this news heavily pushed the gold upwards, and I'm sure some traders might be started selling. Oh, अभी ये बहुत ऊपर गया है, अब ये नीचे आएगा, आगे से उसको वापस सेल की ट्रेड, अब वो फंसे हुए होंगे, and there was this lady here yesterday who is selling the trade from 1896. Now it is on 1935. I think उसका अकाउंट उड़ ही गया होगा अभी तक. तीन ट्रेड्स फिर आई थिंक 1902 पे एक ट्रेड खोली हुई थी और फिर 1908 पे एक और सेल खोली हुई थी, थ्री सेल्स. सो ah yeah, you must be new trader, disguised fitness up. Yeah, when I used to do that as well, and I was new. Market is going up, and I or down, and I'm going to the opposite direction. Okay, your name is Mustafa, right? Oh, you are still in gold trade. Okay. Well, the thing is that if even if you are using a small lot size, um, you have to. Okay. Yeah, but you come on these sessions regularly, and then you will understand. Also, watch my videos on stop loss as well. Must you have to have use you have to have a strategy to close the trade, or put a stop loss when the trade goes in the opposite direction, because um, yeah, that's good. So you keep on learning, and yes, that's right. पीछे पीछे जाना चाहिए. But this is a wrong strategy. You keep on opening trades to the opposite direction. Um, and then you just think that when it will come down, you take all the profits. You might be successful sometimes, but one day you will blow your account with this strategy. That I can tell you for, sure, 100%. I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you. Hedging. I have a video on hedging as well. I do not do hedging, but people. Walaikum assalam. People um, have wrong ideas about hedging. Watch my video on that. I do not do hedging. Um, Euro USD is also like same situation like gold in uptrend on a daily time frame. Well, I mean, it's not in. It was not an uptrend. It was going down. But yesterday's news has made this big daily candle upwards. Uh, so Euro USD. So if okay, it has broken this daily trend line as well, Euro USD. So it might go further up from here. I don't know. I mean, until yesterday, it was in a downtrend, and then day before yesterday, this small bullish candle, and then yesterday's news, this big daily candle. So Yeah. Three pair hanging strategy. I don't know about that strategy, Kaleem Raza Sab. Um, um, Hedging is difficult, but some people do hedging. But hedging is not you open one trade, buy trade, and one sell trade. That's not how you do hedging. That's wrong. Uh, I I knew a person in someone in America who used to do hedging, and it's in a like a different way. I have tried to explain that in one video, so you see that you might find it helpful. Um, सर आपसे क्वेश्चन था कि यूट्यूब पे बहुत ज़्यादा मटेरियल है ट्रेडिंग के हवाले से लेकिन समझ नहीं आ रहा कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ मतलब कहाँ से गाइडेंस लें राइट trading is done in hundreds of ways. Everyone has their own strategy. So there are thousands and of videos on YouTube about trading. You try to watch all those videos, whichever person or whichever strategy you like. You just follow them, follow that, and follow that person. Only him or her. If there is a lady trader, if you try to follow all of them when you are new, what you try to do is uh, you try to watch a video, try to do that, follow him, and then that strategy, and then after 2 3 weeks you you know lose money, and then you leave that strategy, leave that person, and then you go to another strategy, another YouTube channel, and then do that for a month or so, and then leave that and jump to another one. That is very very confusing, and also you will lose a lot of time, you will waste a lot of time. Whatever channel you like and strategy you like, or person who is explaining you like their strategies, follow that, and then keep on working on that until you are successful. Try to master that strategy. You just need one or two strategies to be successful in trading. That's it. So that is my answer to your question. I'm talking about three pair at one time. What do you mean three pair at one time? You mean take a trade on three pairs at one time? Is that what you mean? Walaikum assalam. Walaikum assalam. I'm fine. I'm fine. How are you? Do you do you mean taking three trades on similar pairs at one time? Is that what you mean, Kaleem Raza Sab? Yes, I have a beginners playlist as well. Although there are not many videos, I have to make more videos for beginners. I will make inshallah. Yes, three trade on three pairs, three correlation pairs, or three trades on different pairs. Kareem Reza Saab. For example, three trades on, for example, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, and USD JPY. Is that what you mean? Or three pairs on completely different? One on GBP JPY, one on Euro USD, and another on I don't know, NZD CHF. Oh, correlation. I actually am going to make a video on that as well. Um, my advice is that people think that you know correlation pairs they normally move in one direction, um unless unless I mean, I don't know how to explain it. I will explain it more in the video. Unless the one pair has one currency, that currency's market is open at the moment. So, you can think that, oh, JBP, for example, yen is going into one direction. So let's trade on all the pairs that have yen with it. And if it goes into profits, you can profit from three pairs, for example. But then the problem is if it goes into loss, then you will get three losses as well. So my advice is one, take one trade at one time, or maximum two trades. If you find another good trade as well, that's it. Follow this advice, follow this routine for 6 months, one or two trades a day, whether you lose the trades or whether you win the trades. One or two trades a day. Follow this for 6 months and then come back to me and tell me what is your result as compared to your past results. This is the best advice I can give you. Just trade whichever, I mean, clean um, trade you can find. Just take one or maximum two. If I win one trade, for example, even on this live stream, I do not trade for that day again. And when you will slowly grow your accounts will be big, then one or two trade will be enough to earn good money. It's not like you have to take 10 trades, because on small accounts, then the profit is small. So people try to trade a lot, like keep on trading and trading to make more money, and eventually they lose money. So the best advice I can give you is just one or two trades a day. That's it. Whichever session you do, London, New York, Asian, and you will feel a lot better, lot profitable. You will thank me later for this advice. That's absolutely right, Ruhi Abbas. Because you see, I have done all these experiences when I started trading. I have done all the mistakes. So that's why I don't want you to make all these mistakes. That's why I made these videos for people's, for new traders to stop them making these mistakes. When you win one or two trades, you think that I can make more money today, and you keep on trading and you lose all that profit. And when you lose one trade, then you think that, oh, आज तो नुकसान हो गया यार, ये भी I have to take this loss back. And you lose another trade, and then you think, oh यार ये क्या हो गया, ये तो, and then you take another third trade, and most likely you lose that as well, because then your emotions are playing now. You cannot think straight. You will try to force into the trades to make that loss back. And that's how you just, snowball effect जिसको बोलते हैं ना, you keep on losing, and at the end of the day, you lost only one trade, little bit loss for the day. You come back tomorrow and make, try to, with fresh mind, and try to make that loss back. But what you do is you keep on losing and losing, and in the evening you have lost a lot of money, and now this is a problem. So both the mentalities are wrong. Both the mentalities are wrong. You win one or two trades, and then you think that, oh, my lucky day, let's keep on trading. I will win 10 trades today, एक ही दिन में millionaire बनते हैं, and you lose all those profits. And also, and then you lose one trade, and then you say that, नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये lose क्यों हो गया भाई? You always lose trades in trading. Nobody in the world, if someone says he has 100% result, he is lying, झूठ बोल रहा है, ये मैं आपको बता दूं. 100% रिजल्ट इसमें हो ही नहीं सकता, किसी का भी नहीं है, बड़े से बड़े ट्रेडर्स. And then the third, you see, these live sessions are important not just for अब trade, तो इस वक्त there is no volume, तो क्या करें? At least you can take some advice from me, you know. The third very important, what you call it, advice. Third very important advice: if you are up in your week, Monday to Thursday, 4 days, you are up, you have won the trades, you are, you are in good profits. Now, the Friday, you have two options. I will give you two options. Different people do one of them. So you decide which one you want to do. Some traders, if they are profitable from Monday to Thursday, they are in good profits. What they do is on Friday, they lower their risk, and that's how they trade on Friday. So that even if Friday goes wrong, they don't lose all the weekly profit. And the second type of traders, what they do is, if they are in profits Monday to Thursday, what they do on Friday is they increase their risk, increase their lot size, and try to, maximize or kind of double that profit on Friday. But they only use, for example, let me explain it to you this way. But what they do is, for example, if they are up 10% or 8% from Monday to Thursday, they are up 8%. What they do is they will increase their risk, and they will put 4% of from their profits, they put 4% on the risk. So on one day, on Friday, if they lose, they will lose 4%, but they are still 4% profit for the whole week. But if they win, then they make 4% in just one day on Friday. So that's, you understand what I'm saying? That's how, these are the two options, and some traders, there are some third type of traders as well. If they are profit from Monday to Friday, Monday to Thursday, they don't trade on Friday at all, because they don't want to, lose all that profit. So why Friday is always risky? Yeah, I mean, Friday, the first thing is, there is always in New York session, Monday, Friday is London session is normally very slow. There is not much movement. But New York session, there is a lot of news. I think on Friday, that's probably the reason Friday is risky. So yeah, I mean these are some things that I have told you, so you can see what you want to do on Fridays. Kalim Reza Saab, you can leave your questions on. There is that Telegram link in the description for questions. You can leave audio questions there as well. There are two Telegram links in the description. One is for questions and all these things, and one is the group where I put the updates. So yeah, I have not heard this name before. Three-pair hanging strategy. This is the first time I heard this. Maybe it's the same thing, just some different name. But trading platforms, you mean MT4 or MT5 or C Trader? Is that what you are asking, Musharraf Saab? I think gold अभी तो is 20 minutes still to go before London opens, but it looks like the next move will be in New York session. I don't know. If you are asking about MT4 and MT5 and C trader, I have MT4 is the old version, MT5 is the new version, and it is has some more you know some more functions. So I think I have recently actually shifted to MT5. So uh, MT4 MT4 is still fine. MT5 is a newer version. I mean, you can use that as well. It's just when you. What do you mean? But they don't didn't good work. I don't know. I mean, MT4. Which one did you use and they didn't work? Brokers. I think you are asking about broker because broker is a different thing and platform तो इनको बोलते हैं ना you MT4 वगैरह MT5 और C trader. These are the platforms where you put your trades. Brokers are all the brokers use these platforms, where you can put your plus 500 or these you mean broker, not platform. Broker is a different are a lot of brokers, hundreds of brokers, but they all use these platforms MT4, MT5 or C trader, three platforms mainly to execute the trades where you put your trades. So um I don't know, plus 500. If you are in Germany, wherever is IC markets available, आंखें बंद करके उसके साथ काम कर लो भाई, मैं ये बता कह सकता हूँ आपको. आई मीन डेफिनेटली देर आर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ ब्रोकर्स. अब मैंने तो सबके साथ थोड़ी यूज किया हुआ है, बट in Germany you should be able to use IC markets, and that is the you just use that simple. Plus 500, I don't know, I haven't used that ever, so I don't know about that. um, yeah, London सेशन कोई और ट्रेड भी नहीं नज़र आई ना. मैंने मार्केट सारी सर्च की थी लंदन सेशन में. समटाइम्स वी गेट अ गुड इंट्राडे ट्रेड, वो भी आज सारी मार्केट ही कुछ अजीब हुई पड़ी है. लेकिन लंदन सेशन में ये होता है कि इफ यू गेट अ गोल्ड ट्रेड दैट्स less risky, and sometimes you get a good trade, so you have to open the charts every day and sit for your chance. We have to do our routines. जैसे आप जॉब पे जाते हैं, जैसे आप दुकान खोलते हैं, so same way you have to open the markets. And withdrawal methods, यहाँ पे तो all the withdrawal methods are available, PayPal, direct into bank, and I don't know, मेरे ख्याल में कोई और भी होंगे, I don't remember now, but they have a lot of I think if you go on their website, I IC markets global, वो चूंकि उनका वो ये मैंने I have put this in the chart. IC markets global because They can give you 1 to 500 leverage as well. अच्छा है अब there are a lot of good brokers. I don't know about all of them, but I have worked with IC markets and they are good. What you can do is Google search the um, brokers and then see their reviews on Trustpilot and other websites. And if they have a good reviews and they are old enough, 4 5 years at least, उनको हो गए हैं, then they should be fine. I don't know about Exness. अंकल फॉरेक्स यहाँ से बाय करना है या सेल? कौन सा फॉरेक्स भाई? I do not do crypto trading. Someone in the group can tell you about XM broker. Yeah, Xmas. I have not used them. Crypto trading is crypto trading. Forex trading is forex trading. Yeah, so trading ही all of them, but copy trading is bakwas. There is no easy option in the forex, so you have to just work hard and learn it. And while you are learning, just come here on the stream and make some free money. Because I like 30-minute time frame. That's why I um, I do scalping on 30-minute and 15-minute time frame. So that's why I use that. But for intraday trading or swing trading, you can trade on higher time frames. Um, ask great. Mhm. 1935.73 है इस वक्त आस्क रेट. I have heard that IC markets is not working in Pakistan, but I don't know. You can check from their website. You can trade gold in any time frame. It's your own choice. You need to practice that, and if you like that time, is fine. People do that on all the time frames. Um, People do in 1 minute, in 3 minute, 5 minute, 15, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. So it's your own choice. I don't. I don't know. I don't remember that video, Elias Saab. Maybe maybe I used to trade news at that time because it's been 2 3 years now. I'm making videos, so I do not remember everything. Which video are you talking about? मेरे ख्याल में buy stop या sell pending order I must have said in that video. Buy stop or sell stop, something like that maybe. But now I do not trade. I trade news, but not when news is past 15 minutes at least. After that, sometimes I trade if I see some good scenario, but not when the news is going to come at that time. I do not trade, but after 15 minutes or 30 minutes, I trade news sometimes in this way. I have to make a phone call. Yeah, I mean, their spreads are very tight. What you can do is go on their website and check further details, all these spreads, and it should be there on their website. Okay, London has opened as well, and still there is no volume. So, uh, I might actually do a quick stream on at 9:45 a.m. after like 1 hour and 40 minutes, 35 minutes. If not, then we will try New York session now because there doesn't look like any volume at the moment. So probably we can end the stream now because London Open में भी कोई volume नहीं आया. So yeah, if I see a trade setup because I'm going to add some special streams at 9:45 a.m. London time. If I see a trade setup and if we don't find a trade in London session, that will be an intraday trade. If I find a setup, and I will quickly put it in the Telegram group, and then you can get the link on YouTube as well if you have subscribed the channel and press the bell icon. Um, but if I go live on at 9:45 a.m., you have to be quick because it will be like I see a setup and just quickly I will give the details, and maybe just if I have time, I will sit on the stream to see for like I mean for some time to see how the trade is doing. And if I don't have much time, then I will just announce the trade, and maybe I'll just then go, and then you can then manage yourself. So that will be a special gift sometimes in the week if I see a trade setup, and especially if we don't get a trade in London session. So I'll catch you. So there will be three chances now every day to get a trade London session, and then this if there is no trade in London session, then this 9:45 a.m. session, and if even that's not available, then the New York session. So at least so that we can at least get one trade, whatever the result of that trade is, one winning trade or one losing trade. That is our mission on this channel in live streams. And overall, my aim is that in, I mean, inshallah, it's just if everything goes fine, bisharte zindagi and health, in 1 year, 2 years time from now, my my try is that you grow your accounts with me, and you are in a better position. I mean, one last advice that I can give you for today's session is that uh, see a bigger picture in trading and plan for the future. 1 year, 2 year time. It's not you. If you see the result for every day and every week and kind of like every month, then this is not the right thing to do. You have to see after 1 year where are you standing, your strategy is successful or not, and all these things. Because trading is mixture, sometimes losses, sometimes wins. If you keep your losses small, then you can keep on growing your account. And let's see after 1 year where we are standing. Walaikum assalam. So hopefully I will if there is a trade setup available, I will be online again on 9:45 a.m. London time, which is 1.5 hour from now. And if not, then वालेकुम अस्सलाम. स्टॉप लॉस लगाने की वजह से बहुत नुकसान हो रहा है. स्टॉप लॉस लगाए बगैर भी नुकसान होगा ना. योर अकाउंट, आई मीन, you have to if your stop loss is too big, then that will be, then फिर ज़्यादा नुकसान होगा, बड़ा नुकसान होगा. So um, you have to see where if your strategy is working or not. Um, yeah, that's what I'm saying. We couldn't get a trade in London session, so I will, if I see a good trade setup, I will come online after at 9:45 a.m. You can join the Telegram group as well for updates, or you can get this up notification from YouTube as well if you have subscribed the channel or press the bell icon. If I didn't get a setup, then I will not come online at 9:45 a.m. London time. Then we will do a New York session. Um, yeah. I don't know, Lias Sab, people who don't use stop loss, they must have some strategy. They'll be able to tell what their strategy is. The stop loss. So, जो successful traders है ना, they all use stop loss, but some traders, even if they don't put the stop loss in MT4 or MT5, but the stop loss is still in their mind. It's called mental stop loss. So they have a stop loss in their mind, and they close the trade manually if it goes wrong. Normally successful traders close the trade, manage the trade long before it hits the stop loss. You must have seen me as well doing here sometimes, how I manage risk and close my trades very very long before it hits the actual stop loss. So yeah, that's what they do. They have a stop loss in their mind, definitely. All right, guys. I'll catch you soon. Take care.